Okay, this is trying to unplug the unit. Let's just say if it was still hot. It's hard, but that's good. And then if it was still filled with hot water, I wouldn't recommend holding this and pulling it out because the silicone's a little bit flimsy. But otherwise, I love the product.
I guess it's useful, but it doesn't stop when it's ready. So it's keep boiling, keep boiling, keep boiling till you turn it off, I guess. Which is okay, I guess. I waited for like about 12 minutes and it's still boiling. So I guess I have to stop it myself. I mean, overall it's okay, I guess.
La entrega mañana, ¿no? Con el recaudo.
¿Qué hay de mi hermano? ¿Qué le dijo?